Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Student, how are you? Hope you're fine, doing well. So, student, we had a last lecture on cytoplasm and nucleus. So, here are some important points explained regarding nucleus, and these are that due to the loss of a nucleus, a large quantity of a hemoglobin can be accommodated in the abscess, and thereby amount of carbon dioxide can be transported. That means when oxygen, we need oxygen, and that O2 is transported through that hemoglobin. We know that very well, and hemoglobin is present in RBCs. So, due to the presence of the loss of the nucleus, the large quantity जो है उसकी कार्बन ऑक्सीजन की सॉरी, so that get transported. Okay, and due to the loss of nucleus, sieve tube of the plant phloem. Actually, sieve tubes are the types of a cell which is present in plants phloem, and they becomes hollow, and thereby transportation of the food becomes easy. सो ड्यू टू दैट न्यूक्लियस लॉस स्यू ट्यूब्स जो है फ्लोएम के वो हॉलो बन जाते हैं, और उसकी वजह से जो है फूड जो है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जो है फूड का वो इजी हो जाता है. सो अंडरस्टूड, दिस आर द सम इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट रिगार्डिंग द nucleus. Okay, now let's come to the point. So the next topic, today's next topic is component of a cell, and that is ER. ER is a short form of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so ER is a endoplasmic reticulum, which is another cell organelle and very important. So let's see the structure of an endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is a net-like structure consisting of interconnected miniature tubes. So let's see here. See this diagram. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, a section. So there are some tubes like a structure. You can see these small tubes, large size tubes. Okay. So it is a miniature of interconnecting tubes and sheet which is filled with the fluid. These sheets actually filled with the fluid. Some fluids is present between these tubes and miniature tubes. See the structure like this. It's look like a tubes. सब अपने पाइपलाइन जो होती है घर की उसी तरह से कुछ लग रही है, और ये जो ट्यूब्स है इंटर कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे से, एंड इट इज़ फिल विथ सम फ्लूइड. सो ER इज organelle which conducts various substances inside the cell, that is ER. Okay, ER is connected to nucleus from inner side to plasma membrane from outer side. ठीक है, हमने देखा आपको, it is connected to the nucleus. Let's see this diagram of the plant cell. See here, if you remember this diagram, see this is nucleus actually, and this is the structure of an endoplasmic reticulum. So ER is connected to the nucleus from inner side to plasma. This is a cell plasma, ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है पूरा, एंड न्यूक्लियस की जो वॉल है उससे पूरा ये कैसा है, कनेक्टेड है. हियर लेट्स सी हियर, ये जो ऐसा ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है आपको, ये न्यूक्लियस है, और ये सारा एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में से और न्यूक्लियस से कनेक्टेड है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड नाउ. सो देयर आर मेन टू टाइप्स ऑफ ER. देयर आर two types of ER. First one is SER and second is RER. So what is SER? SER means in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which means smooth means which don't have granules on it. Granules of what? Granules of ribosome. स्मूथ ER जो रहते हैं वो एकदम सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर है लाइक दिस. दे डोंट बियर अ granules of ribosomes, so that's why it is called as a SER, means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now what is rough ER? RER is rough ER. why it is called rough ER? Because it have ribosome granules on its outer surface. Let's see the diagram here. Suppose this is a smooth ER. So why it is smooth? Because they don't bear the granules of ribosome, but this rough ER bears the granules of, like this. These type of granules actually present ribosomes granule. That's why it is called as a rough ER. Okay, so understood now. ER is a substances or the organelle which conduct the various substance inside the cell. Okay, there are two types of ER, the smooth and rough ER. Now let's see the function of ER. What are the function of ER? ER actually it is provide the framework that support the cell conduction of protein also, यानी कि ये जो राइबोसोम्स रहते हैं actually they helps in the production of proteins. Toxins which comes in the body or which enter in the body through we can through the food, air and water are made up of a any toxic material, any or we can drink water, so it also has some toxin substances that is actually soluble by the ER and then flush out of the body. That means ER जो है हमारे सेल को एक फ्रेमवर्क प्रोवाइड करेगा, सपोर्ट सेल रहेगा सेल का, दूसरा है प्रोटीन का कंडक्शन करेगा, प्रोड्यूस करेगा प्रोटीन को. देन थर्ड पॉइंट इज एंड थर्ड फंक्शन ऑफ ER इज इट swell or it can swell यानी कि उसको एब्जॉर्ब करेगा या soluble करेगा थ्रू द वाटर. दैट एनी टॉक्सिन विच इंटर इन द फूड उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेगा, उसको ख़त्म कर देगा हमारी बॉडी से, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट फ्लश्ड आउट ऑफ द बॉडी. सो दीज आर द function of the ER. So today we have learned about the ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum. So hope you understood this. So we will see next point in our next video. Good luck. Allah.